Hello my paper peeps. Welcome to another Washi Wisdom. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the ultimate guide on how to use washi tapes in your scrapbooks, your scrapbook journals, your bullet journals, or even just your regular crafting projects. So let's get to the craft room. So to make your scrapbook journals pop, I'm going to show you 7 ways to use washi tapes in your scrapbook journals. These are from the Washi Tape shop. They have so graciously given me these beauties that I'm going to show you how to use in your journals. I'm going to be using this journal here. This is the new paper line that I just launched, and it's called The Essence of Fall. And it actually has 3 notebooks in here, but I'm going to show you how to use these washi tapes that pair quite well with this journal. The first one I'm going to show you is using gilded washi elements to accentuate an existing layout or print. Here I used washi tape that have individual peel and stick elements to it, and because the artwork on my page is quite flat, these elements here are beautiful to add to it, because if you can see, they are actually gilded, which means they actually have a little bit of gold foiling on the images to make this paper really pop. Number 2, here I'm going to show you how to use the individual peel and decorative elements from this washi tape to build a decorative border for your page. Now this is one of my favorites. This is number 3, using blank or minimally designed solid washi tape, layered on top of one another in a straight or staggered layout to ground a focal point. And these again are from the Washi Tape shop, which I love to use in conjunction with their printed washi tapes, because it acts as a really nice way to showcase the image that you see on some of their washi tapes. I also like this washi tape because it actually has a bit of print on it, so it's not solid in color. It has a bit of this vintage text that I love using so much in my crafting. And here I'm just going to be using some of the text from my paper line. And if you're interested in this DIY journal, I'll put a link to this in the description box below as well. Number 4, Now this one you've probably seen so many times, but I'm using it here so I have to showcase it. And it's using the unused or the misfit washi tape pieces from your roll to hold down your dies as you put them through the die cutter. And the beautiful thing about washi tapes, especially this washi tape, the washi tape shop are phenomenal for making washi tapes that truly stick, but if you need to remove them, they come off so easily without damaging your projects. Number 5, acrylic domes and glossy accents. Now, because these are so beautifully gilded, these images can be used under acrylic domes or even under your glossy accents and create these beautiful tag toppers that can be used for your bookmarks or pretty much anywhere in your scrapbook journals. Number 6, this is what I call collage title pages. This is another way you can use peel and go washi tape. You can lay down each image to your desired dimensions to create a beautiful title collage like you see here. And you can see how I kind of recreated what I actually had in my journal already. Number 7, decorative page liners. Now you'll notice that a lot of bullet journalers will use washi tape to line the edges of their pages. But here I'm going to show you how I line the edges of the pages to create more of a decorative layered look. I just want to say thank you to the Washi Tape Shop for giving me the opportunity to showcase their beautiful products. If you're interested in anything that I've used here, then make sure you go to the description box below where I will place all the products that I've used as well as a coupon code for you should you decide to purchase any of the Washi Tape Shop tapes. And if you're interested in more tips and tricks, you might want to watch this video here or here. Until I see you in those videos, take care and have a fabulous week. Bye.